Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want us to get started with RStudio IDE and do a bit of introduction to the data types that are mostly available in R. So first things first, I want us to create a project. I've already made mine, but I'm going to take you through how you're going to create yours. So to create a new project in RStudio, you're going to go to Files, and then you click on the new project. I'm going to save that one, and then you are going to choose the new directory and then new project. You give your project a name. I'm just give it the same name as mine. Tutorials. You select the folder. You can just browse this and select the subfolder where you want your project to be located, and then you create the project. It's creating a new 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 project. So after creating your project, I want us to dive into some introduction to some of the data types that you're going to be encountering in R. So you have to create an R script. So you go to File, New File, and then you select Script. Once you select Script, you're going to have this untitled script here. To save this script, you're going to click Control S, and then you give it a name, and then you save. Since I already have mine and I've named it as data types, so let's get started. On our first variable, we can just call it var1. We assign it to a number 10. You can click Control Enter to run it, or you can use this one here. As you can see, after running it, has been loaded. So what is the class of the data type that var1? It's numeric. Okay, so we have different types of data types in R. As you can see, the first one here is numeric data type. We can check out this one, the second one. Let's give it a string and call it my name and run that as the class var2. It's a character, so this is the second data type, character data type. We can create a third one. Now there's a way in R whereby you can let's check out this one. To I, let's say it's the complex number, a bit of calculus, complex data type, complex data type. var4 with a value of true. That's going to be a logical data type. And then another thing is like, let's say for instance, if I have want to create an integer, like if I create var5 and then I give it a value of 1, this is definitely going to give me a numeric data type. But what if I want an integer? So this is how you're supposed to do it. Like if you run that one and then you do a class of var5, going to give you numeric. But what if you wanted this to be an integer? So you can just come and say as dot integer 1. But when we run that, it's going to give you an integer data type, an integer data type. So we have numeric, character, complex, logical, integer. There are very many other different types of data types, but as we proceed and doing more analysis, we'll be able to understand some of these data types. So thank you guys for joining me, and make sure leave a like, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.